Are you being fooled by even G2 smart glasses? Let's get right to it. These glasses are 100% real, not some vaporware scam. They made their big debut at CES 2026, and I got my hands on a pair to see if the hype stands up. First things first, design. The G2s look and feel like classic eyewear, not some cyborg cosplay. They're lighter than the G1, and the display? It's now 75% larger and much brighter. That means you can actually see notifications and info, even in sunlight. But here's where things get interesting. The Conversate AI is the star. It'll show live subtitles, and even pop-up info about someone you're talking about in real time. That's next-level productivity, and all without a camera or speakers, so your privacy's locked down. Battery life is a huge win. I got almost 2 days of regular use before reaching for the charger. That's way ahead of the Meta Ray-Bans, which last about 6 hours. So why are people crying scam? Shipping delays mostly. Early buyers were promised December but got bumped to late January. Frustrating? Absolutely. A scam? Not even close. Software's got some growing pains too. The glasses only stay connected if the Even app is open and your phone isn't locked. That's annoying, but it's a fixable issue, not a red flag. And let's talk about that R1 Smart Ring for gesture controls. Mixed bag here. Sometimes it's awesome, sometimes it loses connection. If you rely on gestures, just know it's not perfect yet. Bottom line, even G2 is legit, but it's still finding its groove. Want productivity and privacy in a pair of smart glasses?